Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm finally going to be using those products from my Ipsy bag that I told you guys I would use literally last month. So I'm finally going to review them and let you know what I think about them, how they look, all that good stuff, if they work well or not. I added one new thing from a different Ipsy bag from a while ago that I've just never used. Hold on, I have cat hair on me. Anyways, so I added a blush to the products, and I don't know if you guys remember, but it was this Luna highlighter, this little Pacifica eyeshadow thing, and then the Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics, and then I added Pixi by Petra blush. So I'm really excited to try them. Hold on. One of my children is eating this. Hey, stop it. I don't remember what I was talking about, but anyways, I'm excited to try all those products for you guys. I have some of my makeup already on, just so I don't have to like put 20,000 pounds on in this video, since y'all already know what I do if you've seen previous videos. So if you have not, I might do an updated look eventually, just because I've started changing up some of my products that I use on a regular now, but until I'm like a little more well-rounded with my face of new makeup, I'm just gonna keep the one up that's up now for now. But anyways, let's do the blush first. So this blush is two colors and it's called Rose Gold. So you mix them together to get that color, I'm guessing, which is why one half is pink and one half is gold. I don't know, this blush looks like a highlight, but it's a blush, it says so. It's just really hard to get that pink side to pick up more than the gold. And this little dude, could be this brush is like huge, but I don't know. This looks like a highlight to me, not a blush. So I don't know if I would use it on a regular or really at all as a blush. I would probably prefer to use it more as a highlight, because that's literally what it looks like. Do you see all that shine? Like, I guess you could just wear this and then skip highlight completely. You don't even need to wear that part. Just 2-in-1, blush and highlight all at the same time, if you don't mind less intense looking blushes. I prefer, as you guys have seen in previous videos, if you have not, I love my blush to be like as pink as humanly possible. Sometimes peach is chill, but like pink. So this is not my personal favorite. I don't know if I would actually really use this much as a blush. I just use it as a highlight. That's how it's gonna be now. Blush highlighter, no blush, just highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with the actual highlight from Luna by Luna highlighter. And this is called Electra. And I've showed you guys this in the Ipsy bag video, but here it is again. It's so pink. I hope this works. Let's try it out. Do you see that? Like layer right there? It's so pretty. Girl, I'm feeling this highlight. This is pink and beautiful. I'm obsessed with pink highlighters. They are so pretty. They look so beautiful on, I think, any skin color, honestly. So, super into that highlight. Look how pretty that is. It's just like so beautiful and shiny. Let's get what's left on the brush on the tip of my nose. I'm feeling it. So that highlighter is really nice. It blends out well. It goes on pretty nicely. You don't need a whole bunch of it, which is nice, because you know sometimes you're like sitting here like layering on your highlight if you actually like a lot of highlight. So I'm one of those people. I love to glow from like literally across the room, so that is bomb. Let's try another trick real quick that I haven't done yet for you guys. Let's just put it there on those little collarbones. Oh girl. So yeah, it looks good. It's pretty, making my collarbones shine. Now let's jump into this. Well, actually no. Let's do the concealer. That would have made sense to do first, huh? I'm just gonna use my fingers for this. I don't like a whole lot of concealer, but we'll use just a tiny bit. Get this on there. I normally do not put my makeup on with my fingers, but I don't have a good brush down here for concealer, so I'm just gonna use the fingers. Well, it blends out nice. especially for not using a brush, using just your fingers. So if you are a person that likes to use your fingers for makeup, this concealer blends out nice with fingers. And then I'm just gonna set it a tiny bit with the Fit Me powder. So it looks good. We'll let the powder sit for a minute and then we'll wipe it away a little bit. Okay, now let's jump into this little 5 eyeshadows here. Take this little dude out. I don't know why they always put these in things. I feel like nobody uses these. Who uses these? Nobody. So these are these colors in this. So it's called Beach Crystals. This looks like mermaidy to me, so that name works well. And I'm gonna go for this really dark purple color. And my cat is about to jump up here, I think. And here she is. Ever since she's learned to jump on this table, she is all about this table. And then she can't get off of it. Can you sit and be good? No. Why would you? Okay. So I'm going to put this purple color in my crease. Here she comes. Alright, so that is that color. It looks good. It's a little lighter than I was expecting it to look, but that's alright. And then I think I'm going to richen it up just a tiny bit with this medium purple here. I'm just going to go right under what we did. This one looks like it's a lot more pigmented on the brush. So it's just like a light sparkly color. Okay, now I think I'm just gonna go in my lid now with this lighter purple color. We're just gonna do all the purple colors. Then I'm gonna take that orange color, well, orangish gold color, copper I guess, copper color, and I'm just gonna put that in the corner. I'm just gonna drag it under here, tiny bit. And then I'm gonna take the green. I'm gonna use all of these colors. I'm just gonna put that under my eye. Now, I think I'm just gonna take just a tiny bit of that green and put it in the outer corner of the crease. Just a tiny bit through here to kind of tie it up into the top. They're really light. They're not like super pigmented like some eyeshadows are. So if you're going for like a really soft look, this would be a good choice. Just because it's not like overpowering and nothing's like super intense and crazy like they seem like they would be, but they're like really not that crazy. The only color that's pretty intense is the copper. The inside corner of my eyes is like on some next level. I'm sure you can build up, but they're still not too intense even when you do that. Now let's get some eyeliner on to complete these eyeballs. So eyes are on. I don't think I said this, but these do blend out really well, the eyeshadows that I just put on. So, ooh, here she is again. Back at it again. Hey, anyways, come here. But yeah, so those eyeshadows, they blend well. They like go into each other really nicely. I don't know if you can see it better now that there's like eyeliner on my eyeballs now, but I think it looks pretty cute. I do have to blend out the corners though to my eyeliner. Well, like I always do. I cannot handle them not touching. I don't know what it is about it, but it's like not a thing for me. You know, some people probably don't even like care about that stuff. I am like so OCD about it. I'm like, ah, there's a gap and it has to be filled no matter what. And then I need to wipe away this powder under here. Okay, Now let's move on to, not that, Luminous. Look at her, she's beautiful. So beautiful. My little sweet baby girl. Alright, can you stop jumping up here for like 5 seconds? Almost done, girlfriend. Okay, let's do mascara real fast. Do you guys have cats? I swear, they like eat everything. Like right now she's chewing on wires. She goes from being up here being crazy to chewing on wires on the ground to chewing on everything she possibly can to whatever mischief she can get into. Can you not? I'm gonna get electrocuted. Mascara on. Now, so I forgot lip color, so I'm just gonna wear lip liner and hope for the best. Ooh, I'm going to attempt to use my lip brush with this and see if I can even budge this. Let's find out. Well, it actually doesn't look horrible. Yay for London. NYX lip liner. London color. It actually looks prettier than I was expecting. I do know people do wear lip liner sometimes as like lip colors, so it's not totally unheard of. It's just not super popular, I guess. But who knows? Maybe I'm just new to the game. Alright, now let's get these little lashes on real fast. Alright guys, so now my eyelashes are on, as you can see. I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I'm gonna just take a bath in it. That's how you set your makeup, right? Bathe in your setting spray. Alrighty. So this is the final look with all the new products and whatnot and old products and, you know, just the whole shebangy bangy. And then here's my eyeballs. Blush. It's not a blush. It lies. It's too highlighty. There's like a tiny bit of color in my cheeks and that's about it. And that's I think mostly from the bronzer that I use. So this is more like a highlight. Maybe if you can use a smaller brush and just use the one side, or like use one side and then just dip into that side maybe. But if you're gonna use like a legit sized blush brush or bigger or whatever, not the best idea. So maybe I'll try a smaller brush with it and see, but later. But like I wouldn't do a big brush or yeah, brush with it. This highlighter's so cute. I love it. Luna by Luna. Electra color. It's a big highlighter. It's super cute. It looks pretty. It's blinding highlight, which is always the best highlight. And then the Bye Bye Under Eye, I mean, it looks promising. So this is one I'll have to wear a few more times though to give a legit opinion on, just because it always, usually things look good from the beginning if they're good quality. And then sometimes they decline over time. So we'll see how it goes after using it a few times. This little palette thing, I don't know, this is not a palette. This like miniature eyeshadow square. This little thing. The eyeshadows are cute. The colors are really pretty. They blend out really well, which is awesome. And so far they look nice and lovely and colorful and bright. So that little palette works well if you want something kind of just soft and like cute or pretty or whatever. But yeah, so that is my opinion on all those new things. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, have a good rest of your day. Bye guys.